tiningnan ng ilang senador na pumunta lamang doon para bilang dekorasyon. Sorry only Senator Bato de la Rosa was serious enough there to undertake the responsibility and duty as senators of the Republic in that very sensitive committee hearing. Ang iba nagpakita for compliance. Ang iba nagpakita parang attendance lang at makita sa television. Assess mo, how do you look at yung mga demeanor na pinakita ng ang isa dito, nag-demolition job pa siya. Nakalimutan niya na ang tatay niya ay pinatalsik ng taong bayan. At siya ay kinonvict din sa kasong bribery. We're talking about Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Nagmamagaling at nagmamalinis. At ang ibang senador, binanggit din ni Busantog, ay para bagang hindi sila interesado at gusto nilang tapusin na natin ito. What are we here? Bakit pa tayo nandito? Wala namang katuturan ito mga nangyayaring ito. Only Senator Bato de la Rosa has been consistently serious to provide the channel of official revelation upang mabigyang atensyon ng taong bayan at ng buong mamamayan ang mga pahayag ng katotohanan na inilalabas ni Agent Morales. Assess mo.
Yes, Brother Ka-Eric, it's very clear. The good senator has already established. Kasi nakikita mo ng indicator nag-connect, na-establish talaga yung condo unit, yung lahat ng gamit ng PDEA for the pre-ops na ginagawa nila. Coincide lahat. So hindi pwede ma-deny yan. Ang taong bayan, alam na nila. Hindi pwede mag-cover up. Kudos to the good Senator Bato de la Rosa. I salute you for your consistent questioning. Yung other senators, Senator Jinggoy, bakit naman? Wag mong pagsayawan ang situation. You have to choose your side. Are you for the people? Kailangan ilabas ang katotohanan dyan. Now, believe me, this will end your career.
Yeah.
Kaibigan pa naman kita, pero sige lang. I helped your father during the election. Pero hindi maganda itong ginagawa mo. So, I agree with Attorney Marlon. It's a good question.
Yeah.
Sino ang nagtago?
Klaro. Sino nagtago at nagtatakip ng mga dokumentong ito? Because the PDEA has now lost credibility in denying outright the documents and the Morales leaks and revelations and dinidemolish nila ang pagkatao ni Morales. Attorney Marlon, assess mong thank you. Babalikan ka namin mamaya dito sa ulat na ito. Gaano kahalaga po ang role ng mga senador sa ganitong kalagayan na sana ay seryosohin nila at pati na po ang mainstream media na malalaki na mga network at mga dyaryo ay pilit na lumilingon sa ibang direksyon upang hindi mabigyan ng karampatang seryosong atensyon ang Morales leak at ang PDEA revelations na ito. Subalit para sa inyo na nag-observe, Attorney Marlon, and then you can also react, assess mo, gaano kahalaga po na ito ay binibigyan ng malayang paghahayag at daloy sa Senado through the committee hearing of Senator Bato de la Rosa?
Our senators, ang Senado kasi ay parang ginawa yan. One of the purpose is to, as a platform ng ating future leaders, like the Vice President and the President, so that they will be acting as leaders of our country. In the conduct of these committee hearings and the questions that they ask, they reveal their characters, they reveal their principles.
Tama.
So ito rin po ay paghahatol hindi lang po kaya Morales, paghahatol din po ng bayan kung karapat dapat na tawaging national leaders ang ating mga senators. Kasi halimbawa, doon sa mga this issue is a matter of national importance. Why? Because it brings into issue the capacity of the President to lead our country. Is this not important to them? Ang dami nating batas na ginawa regarding illegal drugs. Ang daming namatay when it comes to illegal drugs. Ang daming na yung collateral damage, kahit sabihin natin ng drug war. So at this point in time, we have a president facing the same issue.
Yes.
What makes him so special? that the law of the country will not apply to him. In fact, that some of the senators are acting as the lawyer of the president when it comes to
Exactly.
this issue, when in fact they're the one who created the anti-drug law.
Correct.
So ngayon, ang tanong is, are they in the position to be judged by the people? Are they revealing their principles and in morals, no? To be called national leaders?
Yun, klaro. Mga kababayan, magandang sinabi ni Atty. Marlon. At sinabi din ng mga mamamayan sa netizens natin, they are very dismayed. No? Sila po ay frustrated na nakakakita sila. Mention natin, nagpa-check attendance lang kahapon si Grace Po. Nagpa-check attendance lang si Chis Escudero. Nagpa-check attendance lang si Senator Bongo. Nagpa-check attendance lang si Senator Robin Padilla. Nagpa-check attendance lang din si Mark Villarriata sa gilid. Iniwan nila si Senator Bato de la Rosa. They are not showing serious interest and sincerity of completing their duty and complying to the mandate na ibinigay ng taong bayan sa kanila na bigyan ng suporta ang mga mahalagang usaping pang-nasyonal na alam natin hindi makakalusot ito sa lower house kung saan nagiging rubber stamp yan at mga nagiging instrumento ng Marcos administration para busalan ang katotohanan na hindi sumambulat.